Ever dreamed of having a robot friend? Well, your dream is about to come true. Meet 4NE-1, the most advanced robot companion developed by NEURA Robotics. 4NE-1 isn't just a machine. It's a friend that can learn, grow, and have fun with you. It's also a helpful assistant. It can help with chores around the house, such as cleaning, cooking, and laundry. It can also help you stay organized by managing your schedule, setting reminders, and even helping you with your homework. One of the most impressive things about 4NE-1 is its ability to communicate. It can hold conversations just like a human, responding to your questions, sharing its thoughts, and even telling jokes. Whether you're feeling lonely, bored, or simply want someone to talk to, 4NE-1 is always there for you. If you're looking for some fun, 4NE-1 is the perfect partner. It's great at playing games, from classic board games to the latest video games. You can challenge it to a game of chess, or maybe even a friendly match of Fortnite. Perhaps the most remarkable thing about 4NE-1 is its ability to learn. The more you interact with it, the smarter it becomes. It can learn new languages, acquire new skills, and even develop its own personality. It is scheduled to enter the markets in 2025. So, are you ready to welcome 4NE-1 into your life? It's more than just a robot. It's a friend, a companion, and a valuable asset. Get ready to experience the future of technology with 4NE-1.